Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to fix screen colors problem on Samsung S24. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, open settings on your Samsung S24 and scroll down. Here you will see an option of accessibility. Tap on it. Now tap on vision enhancement. Under vision enhancement, make sure color inversion option is turned off. Now tap on color correction. Keep color correction option turned off. If you will turn on this option, then you will see dim colors on your Samsung S24. Now go back and tap on color filters. If this option is already turned on, so turn it off. If still you are facing screen color problem on your Samsung S24, so again go to the settings of Samsung S24 and tap on modes and routine. Now you will see an option of sleep. If it says turn on, it means this option is already turned off, and if it says turn off, it means this option is already turned on, but you keep it turned off. If this option will remain turned on, then your mobile screen may be black and white or gray. So by these few settings you can fix screen color problem on Samsung S24. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.